Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-00927 error in Oracle database 12c. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Now I have logged in as a common user called c#score, which I have already created. Okay, now I am typing one query, select star from person. It's showing one record. Okay, now I am going to update that record. Okay, update person, set name as some value. Okay, so now it's throwing error called ORA-00927 missing equal sign, which means that this update query needs the equal sign, okay, after that field name called name. Okay, so update person set name equal to some value inside the single quotes. So that is the correct syntax for the statement, which means it requires the equal statement, equal sign. So this is the fix for ORA-00927 missing equal sign issue.